Good morning everyone, it's me Louie Corpuz, Baguio Paparazzi. Today we are going to BPI Malcolm just to withdraw a little money, and let's just walk to the market. Let's go. We're gonna go to BPI Malcolm Square. I'm just gonna withdraw money. Let's walk, let's check out other things also. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. More blessings to all of us. This is again Baguio City Market. It's brown out today here in the Ukay-Ukay. We are going up the overpass. That's BPI Malcolm. It's offline in BPI, so we're here in Sunshine. So we are now here in the Ukay-Ukay. That's the vegetable section. Most of the stalls are still closed because it's so early. Let's just look. Let's go. Fur jackets. 100 each, okay. Hello everyone, we had a quick walk. We are going back home. timing. It's brown out today here in Baguio City, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So BPI was offline a while ago. I went to Sunshine and we're going home. This is Baguio Paparazzi Filipino Life with Louis Corpuz. The sights and sounds of Baguio City. More blessings to all of us. Thank you for watching.